In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract vocals from a song in Soundtrap. Before we dive in, here's the key thing to know. Soundtrap itself does not separate vocals from a full song. It can't turn a mixed track into clean vocal and instrumental stems, and it can't remove the music to keep vocals only. What it does brilliantly, though, is let you import vocals that were extracted elsewhere, record your own vocals, and then edit, mix, and process them with built-in tools. So the working method is simple. Extract the vocals outside Soundtrap, then bring them in for editing. First, use a free online vocal splitter. Popular options include vocalremover.org, Moises on the free tier, splitter.ai, or layalal.ai with limited free use. Upload your song to one of these services, let it process, and then download the vocals only file. Choose WAV if you want the highest quality. MP3 works if you need a smaller file. Keep in mind that separation isn't perfect on any service. Some instrumental bleed or artifacts are normal. Also, only use audio you have the rights to work with and follow the terms of each tool. Next, open Soundtrap and either create a new project or open an existing one. Click Import File or simply drag and drop the vocal file into the studio. Soundtrap will place it on a new audio track. If your project has a click track or a set tempo, line the vocal up at the start of the timeline. Turn Snap on or off as needed to nudge the file precisely into place. If you also have the original mix in the project, mute or lower it to focus on the vocal. Now let's clean the vocals in Soundtrap. Start by trimming unwanted silence or breaths at the beginning and end, and add short fade-ins and fade-outs to prevent clicks. Apply EQ to remove rumble with a gentle high-pass filter and reduce muddiness around the low mid-range if it's boxy. A light compressor can even out dynamics so words don't jump out or disappear. Aim for gentle, transparent control. If available, use a de-esser to tame harsh S sounds, and a subtle noise gate or noise reduction to reduce room noise. Keep it light to avoid choppiness. Add a touch of reverb for space, but don't overdo it. The goal is clarity. Use volume automation to ride levels so phrases sit consistently in the mix. Finally, compare processed and unprocessed versions by toggling effects on and off to make sure you're improving, not just making changes. That's the full workflow. Extract elsewhere, import to Soundtrap, and polish your vocals with thoughtful cleanup and mixing.